Hi folks, let's unbox the VEVOR 2000-pound capacity clip-on forks for your farm tractor. We're going to unbox this today. We're going to install them and we're going to give them a try. Here's a picture of these snap-on, clip-on VEVOR forks that I ordered from Amazon and paid less than $150 Canadian. Here they are in the attached pictures. And yes, indeed, we are GBL, the Old Church 5-acre homestead. I'm Mr. Garry and Mrs. Betty. We own this homestead, and this is Clementine, our Kubota tractor, and she's getting a pair of forks today attached to the bucket. That's what we're going to do. These are affordable, reliable VEVOR clip-on forks. So let's unbox them and attach them and give them a try. We do a lot with pallets, as you can see. There's a pile of pallets right there. We'll move a few of those around in this video. Okay, so I'm using my DeWalt utility knife to do this unboxing, folks. So bear with me. I have to put on my gloves and open up this box. It is well packaged, so let's get at it without any further ado. Turn this box around so we can see the front of it, and hopefully we can unbox it very straightforwardly, very easily. Like I said, I want to put on my gloves. I want to make sure that I'm protected. I want to put my blade out. It's a brand new blade in there, so it's quite sharp. Now, it comes, as I said, very well packaged. So let's see if I can break the plastic on this packaging. There's also some straps there as well. Okay, I think I'm doing a decent job. Like I said, it is very well packaged. The delivery people did a good job delivering it as well. It didn't get destroyed from the moving around. All right, bear with me, folks. Bear with me. Like I said, we're doing the unboxing for this package. I'm gonna cut that strap to reveal the contents inside this package. Okay, all right, I think I'm almost open there now. Gotta cut this strap over here. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside this package. It is a bit on the heavy side. Not too bad though. Okay, so here we go. Here's what's inside, and let's have a look together. I can take off my gloves now, and I'm going to bring you over a little bit closer to have a look at the contents. So here's what we have. We have the two forks held together with a strap as well. We have the user's manual, which is always very important. You should always read a user's manual whenever you're buying a product. Okay, and there's a support that goes across the middle to keep the forks a little bit more stable. There's, as I said, it's just screw on. Very easy to install, and we're going to do that very soon and give this bad boy set of forks a good try. They cost around $120 Canadian, folks, so a lot less than $150, and so let's give it a try. 2,000-pound capacity, hoping it's going to do some great work here on our homestead, because we do a lot with pallets. And here's our tractor, Clementine. Okay, so here's the second fork. And here's the stabilizers that join together to separate the forks. So here's the contents, the full contents of the package. So you have the two forks, you have the stabilizers, you have the pallet fork user's manual, which I will read momentarily. There's the package, very heavy duty box. It came very well protected, as I said. So I'm going to move this. Out of the way. So let's put that over there behind the tractor, and let's get at installing these forks. Okay, I'm going to put the manual aside, but I will most definitely be reading that. Okay, so here's one of the forks, and I'm just going to unclamp it. It's been screwed down tight. Okay, now I'm just winding open the clamp, and I'm just attaching it. Now I might have to do some adjustment soon, so we'll see. Okay, now here's the second one. Again, I'm going to loosen up the bolt. I'm going to attach this one as well. Now, knowing that I'm going to have to put these further apart or closer together, depending on this adjustment here. Okay. I'm loosening up a butterfly knot that's there in the side. So I just want to remove that completely out of the way. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Now I'm just going to poke this in over the fork to about there maybe. Definitely got this too close together. Move them apart. And I think what I might have to do is I might have to put these together first. So I'm going to be taking that one off again. I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to poke one inside the other and then put them back on. Now, so that it goes down over. Okay, it should go down fairly easily, shouldn't it? Okay. Okay, I'm going to put it at about. I'm going to put them about there. I'm going to tighten them up. I'll do a pan around in a second to show you what's involved. Make sure everything is good and tight though. Okay, making sure it's good and tight, folks. Tighten this one up as well. The VEVOR 2000-pound capacity, screw on, clip on, whatever you want to call it, forks for a tractor. I'm going to be using here to move pallets and different things around. I think I got it kind of centered on the bucket, so we'll see. So the VEVOR 2,000-pound capacity forks are attached to the bucket of our tractor, and I'm going to be giving that a try very, very soon. And again, the only thing included in this package were the 2 forks and the stabilizing rod that goes across the center. It just screws on very easily with these heavy-duty bolts. So hopefully this will work. I'm going to be moving some pallets around momentarily. I'll show you that, and I'll probably move around a few other things. So let's see how this is going to work. Okay, so the VEVOR 2,000-pound capacity forks are attached, and I'm going to start up Clementine or Kubota tractor, and we're going to move a few pallets. Before I go any further, here's a disclaimer. I bought with my own hard-earned money these forks. This is not a promotion video for VEVOR. VEVOR did not pay me, did not endorse me to do this video. I just wanted to buy a set of forks to make life easier for me here on the homestead. And if this video can help you in some way decide on purchasing a set of forks for your tractor, for your homestead, then excellent. So without any further ado, let's give this a try. Okay. Now, you're going to have to bear with me because there's going to be some noise. motor down a little bit. So I'm going to try to get in underneath a pallet there. See if we can move some of these pallets from that pile. Okay, now, Mr. Garry, let's see if we can lift them up and take them out of there. Okay, here we go. I do think we're able. Oh. First time trying, so bear with me, folks. Now, I'm just going to take that pile, a little bit unstable, and I'm just going to move them down to this end of the pallet pile and lay them down there. Okay, so let's go size things up. So I did manage to move the pallets from up there to down here. The forks did work. First time use. I need some more experience, of course, but that's all a part of the process. So I did move the pallets, thank goodness. The VEVOR 2000-pound capacity forks for your farm tractor, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, first time use review. So perhaps in about a year's time, or even 6 months, I'll create another video, a review video, sort of, seeing how this goes. My first time use today, probably with 20 or 30 or even more uses, I'll get much better with using them and be able to move a lot of things around. So there you have it, folks. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you liked the video. Mr. Garry, signing out.